All right, you had to decide if they were true or false. So the first one we have 3 equals 2 plus a third. Well, I know that 3/3 is the same as a whole. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So this first one was true. Now we have 4/6 equals 2 plus 3/6. I know 2 plus 1 is 3. And then I'm left with 3/6. 3/6 is equal to 3 and 4/6, which is not the same, so that one is false. Now I have 4 and 2/8 is equal to 3 plus 10/8. So 10/8 is over a whole, so I know I can make one whole, and that would be 8/8, and I need 2 more to make 10. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then I'm left with 2/8. So that one is true. This one had a lot. So 2/5 plus 2/5, or whoops, 2/5 plus 7, or oh my goodness, 2/5 plus 5/5. So I know that 5/5 is the same as a whole. So I know 1 plus 2 is 3, and then I'm left with 2/5. 3 and 2/5 is equal to 3 and 3/5. That's not right, so that one is false. You kind of went in a pattern. True, false, true, false.